There are two ways to add new users. From the homepage, click on the Add New User link under the quick links. Or click on the Users tab and then click on the Add New User button and enter the new user's first name, last name, and email address. Select the Add More Users button if you would like to create multiple users at one time and enter the details of any additional users you would like to create. If you want to send the welcome email to the user, tick the Email User ID and Password to User box. This should be the default setting. If you want to receive the user's details to forward on to them, tick the Send User ID and Password to Me box. This may be useful if the user needs an account set up urgently and doesn't have access to emails. The Product Access selection allows you to specify which services a user has access to. Usually, you will want to give all users access to all of your subscriptions, so tick all boxes in this selection. Click on the Submit button to create the account and send the welcome emails.